Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can use your Amazon gift card balance for your shopping. First, go to amazon.com. To check your gift card balance, click here and click on gift cards. Here you will see your gift card balance. Now we will see how to use it. First, select any product that you want to buy. I will choose this one, add to cart, and then proceed to checkout. Give your address, and after that, in your credit or debit card information, you will see an option of gift card balance, or you can also enter your gift card code here and click on apply to use your gift card balance. And after that, click on use this payment method and your gift card balance will be used to buy this product. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in our next video.